I used to live in that house over there, and this was my neighbor's garage here. I came over here 27 years ago. I was 20 years old, and he showed me his 1966 Mustang GT. It was a 289 4-speed car. It used to be antique bronze. Now he painted it ivy green metallic. It's beautiful. Sat here ever since. He actually bought this car in 1991 and then painted it in 95. And then when I saw it in 97, I wanted to buy it, but I couldn't afford. Didn't have a place to even put it back together because he did all the painting and redid all the bottom, the floors and everything. It's like really good shape. I finally bought it, and it's going to be an adventure to try and put this thing together because there's so many parts here in this garage. It's incredible. So I've been going through for the past 4 or 5 days trying to sort and find everything that goes to this car. As you can see, there's several engines here too. I think I figured out that engine is the correct one. That number is matching engine. And also this is a 4-speed manual that it comes with. Super cool. Can't wait to get started with it, but man, it's gonna be a lot of work. So that's the interior right now. Trying to figure out all this. Here's the stock gauge cluster here. So this is what the color used to be. It was antique bronze was the color in 1966. And they painted it this beautiful green. I'm gonna put some cool wheels on it, and I think I might put like some torque thrust Ds or something. I thought about going with 17-inch wheels, it's either 15s or 17s. But, let me know what you think. Yeah, I was kind of going to keep it stock with the stock, basically stock everything except for wheels, and maybe lower it to put a little bit louder exhaust on it, just to make it fun to drive. But yeah, it should be an adventure. Man, I got my work cut out for me. Good grief. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.